Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution again. Today in this video, as part of this Terraform series, and we're going to see Terraform state RM, which is remove command. So we're going to see how this remove Terraform state remove command will work and what is the purpose. Okay, so basically we'll see what is Terraform state RM. So Terraform state RM command, removes the binding of existing remote object without first destroying it. So the first object to continue to exist but no longer managed by Terraform. Okay, so now we'll see there's a command which we are going to use it for Terraform state RM. So which means that so Terraform RM command is used to remove the particular the particular state from the Terraform state file. Okay, so now particular resource from the state file, so that we should be able to uh, so remove the particular object without destroying the particular um, resource. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this particular thing will be happening. Okay, I'm going to Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now as you can see here, so I have four IAM users. Okay, so IAM user 1, user 2, user 3, and user 4. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show the Terraform plan to show whether this what are the resources is going to be getting created first in the first place. Okay, now it's going to be getting created four resources. One is Terraform user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4. Okay, all the four users are getting created for now. Okay, okay, so now now if you Terraform apply, okay, Terraform apply. Okay, so Terraform apply is going to be creating four users in the okay, it's going to be creating four users. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now if you can go back to the terminal of the console. So user 1, 2, 3, 4 is getting created. Okay, now I wanted to delete this particular the user. So Terraform 4, for example, I just deleted this particular user manually. Okay, so somehow I come and delete this manual, so so delete the user 4 manually. Okay, now if you can see here, it's been deleted. Okay, now but if you can go back and see the Terraform state list. Okay, so now what I feel is that I don't want this Terraform user 4 which has been created already. Okay, so Terraform user 3 is enough, but I don't want it to I don't want it to so use this one. Okay, so if you wanted to do that one, you can also destroy, you can also destroy it, but still it will be destroying it. Okay, but what Terraform RM command will be using for is that so it will be trying to remove the this particular configuration from the state file, so that you won't be able to you won't be seeing any changes. Okay, now if you do Terraform plan, what is showing Terraform, so Terraform plan will generally will compare your the current configuration with the remote configuration. So as per this particular thing, okay, so Terraform will create the Cloud Institution 4 user. The reason being, Terraform will compare your current state and the remote state. Okay, but I don't want it to, I don't want it to use this particular state, right? I don't want to use this one because in Terraform for the configuration is already been here. Okay, so always creating it, right? So Terraform 4 user, if you can see the Terraform state file, so Terraform 4 user is been still there. Okay, but how do you remove this one? How do you remove this? Okay, so how do you remove this particular thing? So if you want to remove this Terraform 4 user, so what you have to do is that we have to go and use the Terraform. Okay, first we'll do Terraform state show, sorry, state list. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do Terraform state RM. So now you can see Terraform state user 4 is there. Okay, now the command what I'm going to use is the Terraform state Terraform Terraform state RM, and then the state of this this the resource of this particular particular for particular state, um, uh, state of the particular resource is going to be AWS IAM user and then Cloud Institution 4. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove this particular thing over here. Okay, so as you can see here, the Terraform user 4 is there. Okay, so in a fraction of a second, what's going to be happening is that the Terraform state 4, the user 4 will be removed from the state file. So without being modified, the entire on configuration, if somebody is deleted it manually, okay, if you want to remove this from the state file, then you should be able to do this one. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete this configuration as well now. All right, now if you can go on to the Terraform plan. Okay, so it's showing me only 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this particular configuration is being completely removed, from your code and the state file, as well as from your code and as well as from your UI. Okay, so this is how you will be, destroying some resources without being, doing the Terraform destroy operation. Okay, so this is what called Terraform rm, the state rm command will do. Okay, so hope you understand this particular video. Okay, so if you find this video to be really useful, then please like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. Okay, so we'll be posting a lot of interesting videos, in the upcoming days. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and stay tuned for the rest of the videos.